Hi, my name's Sham from the Waterside Holiday Group, and today I am here at Bowleaze Cove Holiday Park and Spa, but more specifically I am here at the stables, which is our luxury lodge development, and we are at our third and final stage of this entire development. I have 4 different models to show you, which I am going to do right now. Before we head in, check out this water feature, the fencing, and this is a double gated area. Here is our Prestige Drift. You can see the large front decking that will wrap around to the side, giving you full sun from morning to evening. You can see where the hot tub is situated, and every single lodge will have a hot tub as well. Then we have 2 Prestige plantation houses, both facing that exact same direction, perfect for all day sun, both with hot tubs. Then we take it up a notch. Behind me, you have a Prestige Casa de Lusso. It has got a huge car parking space, no one behind you but green grass. I cannot wait to show you the inside. And saving the biggest until last, this is the Prestige Aura, measuring at 55 foot long and 22 foot wide. I cannot wait for these holiday homes to be ready internally so we can do individual videos for you, showing you the inside. I hope you have liked this behind the scenes kind of video today. These lodges will be ready within the next couple of weeks, and we have already had interest. So if you would like to come and view them for yourselves, give us a call on 01305 836 836 or click the link below.